My name is Sadia. Today the topic of my presentation is about natural disaster. So what is natural disaster? A disaster is a sudden event that causes a lot of damage. Natural disasters are caused by extreme conditions of weather or changes that take place inside the earth. Strong winds, heavy rainfall, extreme temperature and changes inside the earth can seriously damage environment. So these are type of natural disaster. What is earthquake? The Earth's crust is made up of huge plates which are floating on the semi-soil interior of the Earth. Although we do not see or feel it, these plates are very slowly moving in different directions. Sometimes they rub against each other, either sideways or up and down. When this happens, the surface of the Earth shakes. This causes earthquakes. Some of these are not strong enough to be felt on the Earth's surface, but others causes great damage. The next is cyclone. Cyclones are huge storms characterized by revolving wind. They bring about huge tidal waves, sometimes 20 meters high. Cyclones develop over warm seas near the equator when the sea is heated by the sun. The air above it also warms up and rises. As it rises, it becomes loaded with the moistures which cools and condenses into massive thunder clouds. It is from these that a tropical storm can develop in the form of a cyclone. Volcano. A volcano can simply be a crack on the Earth's surface or a dome shape or a mountain-like structure. A dome-shaped volcano often has an opening in the form of a large hole at the summit. Such an opening is called a crater. When magma comes out to the surface of the Earth, it is called lava. Lava flows very rapidly from the mountains, burning everything in its path. This lava can destroy forests and cities that comes across it. Some volcanoes release clouds of poisonous gases. Floods. Floods occurs floods. Floods occurs when the rate of rainfall exceeds the rate of exhaustion of water in the ground. When there is more water in a river than it can hold, it breaks its banks and flows over the adjoining areas. In heavy flooding, whole villages may come underwater. People should be aware of the weather conditions that could lead to flooding. Tsunami. When an earthquake takes place under the ocean, it causes giant waves that can travel hundreds of kilometers through water before it hits the coast. These waves are called tidal waves or tsunamis. A tsunami is a series of waves which sometimes reach a height of 30.5 meters. These waves cause widespread destruction. As a tsunami approaches land, it grows bigger.
The
Thank you. This is the end of my presentation.